Hello everybody and welcome to Module 2. You have already been very active on the course, which is excellent. This week we reached over 3,000 registrations to our course, so a special welcome to all newcomers. New people can still join the course, so do not hesitate to invite your colleagues. A lot of you already shared your learning diaries with us and other course participants. You really did an amazing job with your learning diaries. It is great to see that many of you even did extra work. You also included your biographies, work done by students, and general reflections about teaching and learning. An excellent example of such a rich learning diary is the one made by Vanna from Athens in Greece. It was also inspiring to see that some of you explored other tools than Padlet to create their learning diaries. For example, Marian Dragomir from Romania used the tool DBT. The learning diary from Maxime Drouet from France shows that Google Docs can also be an excellent tool. Finally, Dumas Coronel Lucian from Romania used Glogster to introduce us to his school where he teaches students with special needs. For those of you interested in the topic of tablet use by students with special needs, remember to check out our optional webinar on the topic on the 7th of May. Please also remember to reply to the module questions in your learning diary, as they help you and us to learn more around specific issues. In the first module, we asked you to reflect on the why of tablet use and related challenges. On the why of tablet use, a lot of you said that tablets help to link learning to the real world. As a lot of students already use tablets anyways, it is a good idea to also use them for learning in school. On whole school challenges, many of you agreed that convincing colleagues and parents is the main challenge. Money and challenges with the technology itself are also issues. But the main conclusion seems to be that you can only really move forward integrating tablets in your teaching when other teachers and parents are on board. If you want to learn more about how to involve parents, you can join our optional webinar on the topic this Wednesday, the 22nd of April. In this webinar, 3 CCL teachers from Austria, Slovenia and the UK will present. One particular challenge that quite a few of you face is that you do not have enough access to tablets in your schools. For example, Nino from Georgia writes that she cannot use tablets with her students yet, and that many teachers are still afraid of new technologies. Carmen Gomez, who lives in Spain, faces the same challenge. While she is looking for money to fund tablets, she found a creative way to already get started. She is organizing a small project for pilgrims who pass her town on the primitive way to Santiago in Spain. In her project, Carmen and a small group of students use their mobile phones to help pilgrims to locate themselves and find interesting places. Finally, we are aware of the fact that also this course already provides you with challenges. You need to get familiar with new tools and also with English. I read some comments that participants were worried about the level of English. Just remember that most people on this course are also non-native English speakers. If you have trouble understanding the videos, you can always stop and repeat them. As you already know, our FCL ambassadors are also there to support you in their language. A big thank you to them for their great work. But also thank you to all the course participants who take the time to reply to their colleagues' questions. This is really in keeping with the spirit of collaborative learning.